Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are making donuts. If you are new here, don't hesitate to click that subscribe button below. And if you are a returning subscriber, it's so good to have you back. Welcome to the Where to Dine family. Let's get to the video. So you are going to mix your water with the milk, add in yeast, and then let it rest for 5 minutes. So now we add in salt, sugar, butter, add your eggs, and then you mix it all together. So we are adding flour to the mixture. Just 1 cup and 3/4 of flour is enough. So now you have to get it with your hands to knead it well until it doesn't stick. And now that it doesn't stick, you let it rest for 1 hour. So this is how it looks after the 1 hour. It increases a bit and it's very soft. After we are going to knead it again, just remove that extra air that had accumulated after the 1 hour. So you knead and knead and knead, and then you roll it out. So my sister has this way whereby she turns it only that chef way. So yeah, she was doing her thing, but you have to roll it out until it's as thick as I'm going to show you, as thick as that. That's how it should be. And now we make the circles. You can use any object in the house that is circular to do this, as long as you clean it first before you use it. Here we're using a cookie cutter because it was sharp. And then for the small holes, we used a bottle top because it was the nearest, most convenient thing around. So you can really use anything in the house that is circular. As long as it's clean, you can use it to do this. Also, those balls that you cut out, you can fry them after, and they're so yummy, just that I didn't record it. Just like that, your donut shapes are ready to be cooked. So now you preheat your oil so that it's ready, and then you fry them. So now that your oil is ready, you place in your donuts gently so that it does not sprinkle on you. But yeah, you place in your donuts and they don't take long to cook. They were really fast. How you'll notice that they're ready, you'll see a brown lining appearing down. So you change it to the other side and you wait for the same until it browns, and then you remove it. That's it. So here you can clearly see the brown lining that I was talking about. You'll just see it and you know that the other side is ready, and you turn it over. And when that white part you're seeing also turns brown, you know that your donut is ready, and you take it out. So here our donuts are fully brown and fully ready to eat. Before you can place your donuts into the bowl or dish, ensure to place some paper towels at the bottom so that they can absorb that extra oil that's in the donuts. If you don't have paper towels, you can use the wire mesh sieve to place them there so that the extra oil drips out just before you can enjoy them. These donuts were amazing, especially when they were still warm. They were so nice. Even when they cooled down, they were nice. So if you want to try out this recipe, you can check in the description box below. I'll be leaving all the ingredients that you'll need. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. It means a lot, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.